garlic cumin lamb casserole or garlic cumin lamb bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most different of the lamb casserole recipes and one of the most different of the casserole recipes. Today we're going to make garlic cumin lamb casserole. We have taken around 300 grams of lamb or mutton, cleaned and cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 2 spoons of cumin seeds, 20 to 25 shallots cut into pieces, around 10 to 15 garlic cloves, 15 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. Saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic pieces. Salt the garlic pieces. ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the cumin seeds, salt thoroughly, very hot. Put in a spoon of chili powder, a spoon of mixture of spices, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, cumin, put in the mutton pieces, salt thoroughly, and mix. Pieces. Put in salt to taste, thoroughly mix. Saturday. Cook for 45 minutes. After cooking for the required time, open, put in some curry leaves. Now the garlic cumin lamb casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic cumin lamb casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin recipes and one of the most different of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lamb casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.